can now check your airdrop eligibility criteria for Paws. So if you come to your Paws account, you discover that there are some eligibility criteria that have been set. So if you open your Paws account, you either see this page or this page. If it's this page, just click on continue on website, and if it's this page, just click on check eligibility. So you proceed to the website, then choose Chrome as your default browser. So there are different eligibility that have been set. So Paws. So when you come here, you will see the balance you currently have here. Then when you come here, you're going to see where you're going to see maybe you're eligible for airdrop or not. So when you click there, then you select claim. You can see the place is highlighted. So I'm going to select claim. So then here, the first thing, if I get to connect wallet, it will take you to wallet connection site. But I've connected my wallet. That is why I'm starting from the eligibility check. So now, when you come here, the first eligibility check is that verify on website, which I believe by now you should have done that. And the second one is that you must complete at least 30 quests or invite at least 30 friends. So those ones are very important. Then save from Grinch. That one has been marked here. Then here is an activity check. Activity. Then when you scroll down, you're going to see some activities. Says the voting badge. Voting badge. Let's see. Okay, purchased, waste, then goods, then explore turn. You know, these activities actually came up that time. So if you check, you can check here. Then I think what you can actually if you want to increase this, you can actually still do that. In my own opinion, this will actually help you to increase your airdrop amount. This particular section here, the voting badge, this and this, then I've bought this, then this and this will help increase the amount of airdrop you are going to be getting. They say recommended. So then here, the minimum balance should be more than 300,000. It's not required. It's just like recommended. So all these ones are recommended. It's not a must. It's not a must that to meet all those ones. But to be frank, as I said, it will determine how much you are going to get. Because these two now, it talks about payment. Then when you click on next, say congratulations, I've met up the criteria. So if you want more airdrop, you have to spend turn and start transaction. It's quite obvious from this eligibility criteria. So drop your thought in the comment section. So what do you think about this new development in Paws? See you at the top. Do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel.